Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a React.js video timeline trimmer editor that I developed in browser using FFMPEG WebAssembly library and Fabric.js. You can see I'm running this project on localhost 3000 and now there is an option here to actually select a video file. This can be of any extension, MP4, AVI, MOV, AVI. So I will just select my actual video, and as soon as you select your video you will see this guys, this timeline will occur. This is actually your play button. Here you can play the file, and then we have also the download button if you see, and we basically get this nice little timeline where we can actually control whichever portion that we want in the video to trim, to cut the video. So which we have the starting time here, the ending time, and we basically have this timeline here. So now you can see as I'm changing the starting duration of the timeline, the starting time is changing, and similarly we got the ending timeline as well. So here as you can see, we should show you. So we can actually control whichever portion that we want to trim out. So as soon as you change it, you will see the starting and the ending duration will change. You can see that. So now if I want to trim this portion here, I have this trim button available. So as soon as I click this button, FFmpeg WebAssembly will execute and it will actually trim out this video, which is this 1 minute 1 second, and now you'll be able to download the trim video. You can see that the video has been downloaded. So this is actually the thing guys, you can actually play the video, the downloaded video, the trim video. So this is the project guys. If you are interested in this project, I have given the link in the description of this video. You will get a full source code after you make the payment on my website procodestore.com. So this project, if I show you the package.json file, it's developed using FFmpeg WebAssembly library, and we have also used this Fabric.js, which is a JavaScript open source animation library, and you can see we are using the latest version of React, which is React 18. If you don't know about FFmpeg WebAssembly library guys, it's actually runs in the browser. It lets FFmpeg runs in the browser. By default FFmpeg is a command line library, but this library makes it possible to use it in the browser using a CDN. And also we are using this library Fabric.js, which is a JavaScript animation library, canvas library right here. So we are also using this library as well to actually construct this timeline that you see right here, to actually trim the video. So this will be a good project guys. You will get to know about how I use these two open source packages to build out a very practical project. And you will get the zip file. After you extract the zip file, you will get this directory structure. You will see each component is coded inside TypeScript, and you can see the full source code. So you will, if you are a developer, you will also be able to edit or add additional functionalities to this project. So it's coded inside React.js, and if you see the backend here, you can see we are using this FFmpeg WebAssembly library. We are loading it from the CDN, and then we are actually executing the command right here. This is, I think, FFmpeg, and if you see we are executing this command right here for trimming out the video using the starting duration and the ending duration. So this is actually your project guys in React.js, coded inside TypeScript, each component. And if you want to now run this application locally, you will open your terminal, and the very first command you will execute is npm i. So this will actually install all the Node.js modules, and it will actually create this node modules folder right here. And after that you just need to say npm run start. So this will start your application at this local development environment, localhost 3000. So as you can see, we are running this application localhost 3000. And as you load the application, you just need to select a video file, and then automatically just trim out the portion of the video that we want. It's very fast, lightweight, and the main thing is that it doesn't require any server-side code. It runs entirely in the browser. As you click trim, the FFmpeg command will execute in the browser and you will be able to trim your videos. And you can see that. So it's very easy to deploy as well. If you check the package.json file, there is a command which you can simply execute, npm run build. So this will actually, if you want to deploy this onto your domain name, it's very simple. Just delete this. This is the main command, React strips build. So if you just say npm, so this will build out your application, and just create this dist directory in the left hand side, and you can see build directory, and you will be able to deploy this application very simply. It's a single page application in React.js video trimmer timeline. You can see it constructs the timeline here of a particular video, and from this you will be able to trim your video. So if you are interested, guys, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it from my website procodestore.com. And thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.